Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable night shift on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! We all know that staring at the screen all day is not great for our health, yet we have to do it for work, side projects, and staying connected with those that matter to us. In the past 5 to 10 years, app developers started implementing various ways of easing the eye strain into their apps. The most common option, dark mode, if you're using an applet at night or with minimal lighting around, the contrast between the dark environment and the bright screen will make you feel tired faster. So, on MacBook, you can enable the night shift on your MacBook to control the color temperature of your Mac screen and make it display warmer tones. So this way can reduce the eye strain and have a comfortable viewing experience at night. So how to enable this? It's very simple. So you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can just go to displays, click on displays. You'll find there is an option, night shift. You can just click on that. In here, you can schedule your night shift. You can custom the time, or you can just set from sunset to sunrise. You can enable the manual turn on until sunrise, or you can just like this. You can also adjust the color temperature. If you want to less warm, you can slide it to left. If you want to make it more warmer, you can just slide to right like this. It's very simple, right? So here's how to enable, how to turn on the night shift on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.